Majority and minority leaders approach the chair. Honorable members, as we start the motion, a slight variation on my communication. The majority leader and the minority leaders in the House will prefer to speak immediately after the subject of the motion speaks, before the mover is called upon to reply. I have acceded to their request and it's so ordered.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity to move the special motion on the impeachment of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Mr. Speaker and honorable members.
Start Mwengi Mutuse by saying, I beg to move the following motion and read the motion as it is on the order paper. What you probably can skip is reading out all the names of the members which you read. Just say this, the members who signed the motion are set out on the order paper.